There are two styles of ignition modules, an older style Honeywell and the newer style Pitco ignition module. Both style of ignition modules are mounted in the same manner and are removed in the same way. On the SSH model fryers, the ignition module is located in the lower left-hand side of the fryer cabinet. It is mounted on a bracket which is held in place by one 5/16 inch mounting screw and two locating tabs on the rear of the bracket. Remove the mounting screw and loosen the ignition module assembly from the wall of the fryer cabinet. The wiring for the ignition module is a square 9-pin Molex connector. Disconnect the Molex plug and you can now remove the entire ignition module assembly from the fryer cabinet. Remove the ignition module from the bracket by removing the mounting screws and the wire harness. Attach new ignition module to the bracket and reinstall the wiring harness and reinstalling the mounting screws. Plug the 9-pin connector back into the main wire harness of the fryer and remount the bracket to the fryer cabinet using the two locating tabs and the 5/16 mounting screw. You can now turn the fryer back on and test for proper operation. The ignition module has all pertinent information located on the label. The part number is located in the center of the label to the right of the Pitco logo. All wiring terminals are labeled, and all other electrical specs are located in the upper right corner of the label. This concludes this Pitco training video. If you have any questions or comments, please call us at 603-225-6684 or visit our webpage at www.pitco.com. Thank you for watching.